Welcome to my first YouTube video on this channel. Super excited to start taking videos and documenting what I know about Microsoft Azure. This channel will be dedicated to really tell how much Azure can help everybody elevate and level up their IT infrastructure and everything IT that they do. First playlist that we're going to talk about in this channel, it's going to be prepping for exam AZ-303. This is the Microsoft Azure Architect Technologies exam. Obviously, to be a Microsoft Azure Architect, you need to pass both AZ-303 and AZ-304. Microsoft has been changing a lot of content in this area constantly. I believe on January 27th, they're going to add more updates to the content. What we're going to cover in this series is the basic stuff to pass AZ-303. A little bit about myself. I've been in the IT field for 10 years. MCP and MCSA certified in cloud infrastructure, cloud Azure. So I know a little bit about Azure, but I don't claim that I know a lot, and I don't claim that this channel will give you everything that you need in order to pass this exam. I am sharing my experience getting ready for this exam, basically. And I'm excited to document everything that I learn, and I'm excited to document everything that I see that gives literally superpower to IT individuals by using Microsoft Azure. I see the Microsoft Azure is very powerful solution that Microsoft provides, and honestly, managing IT infrastructures, managing IT teams for big companies in the past years have taught me a lot. Very grateful for this experience, but at the same time, it's very powerful when you see such a solution that can pretty much does a days of work in 5 minutes. You literally can finish days and days of worth of work, getting physical servers, waiting for it to come, paying big dollars for it, receiving the equipment, the physical hardware, putting it together. You take care of the server rack, you take care of everything in between, and you pay expenses, power, backup batteries, AC, everything that is inside a server room. You take care of all that in order to maintain the physical hardware. But in Azure, they do all that for you. You pretty much pay the basic fees, monthly fees, as you use it, which is great. So you pretty much can build a whole server in minutes in one line of command. You can put any operating system on the virtual machines, and you can be up and running in no time. You don't take care of maintaining, you don't take care of any of the hassle. Microsoft does the job for you, but obviously you pay a monthly fees. Let's get started. So as you can see, this is the main Microsoft learning path. Just wanted to add my little buddy Mo here is my assistant. He's saying hi to everybody. So as you can see here, this is the learning path. And this video, we will talk about the first portion of passing this exam. The skills measured by the 303 exam is, as you can see, is 50 to 55% implementing and monitoring an Azure infrastructure. 25 to 30% is management security solutions. 10 to 15% implement solution for apps, and 10 to 15% also implement and manage data platforms. The learning path for AZ-303 currently, as of today, it's January 21st, 2021. It's 9 different modules. So Architect Network Infrastructure in Azure is first module. It's about 8 hours worth of studying. Obviously, First one is the hardest. I believe it took me more than that, so it would take you a couple days to finish it because it's a lot of information. We will go to the second module, which is the Architect Storage Infrastructure in Azure. Third module is Architect Compute Infrastructure in Azure. Number 4, Architect Infrastructure Operations in Azure. 5, Architect Data Platform in Azure. Number 6, Architect Message Brokering and Serverless Applications in Azure. 7, Architect Modern Application. Architect API Integration. And the last one is Architect Migration, Business Continuity and Disaster Recovery in Azure.